Hi, it's Maggie here. Today I'm going to show you how to make hand soap. Liquid foaming hand soap. And I have, for this purpose, a BPA-free plastic foaming hand soap dispenser. I also have a travel size BPA-free. Okay? So the purpose of me making this soap today is to show you that you can have a sample one, or a travel size one I should say, to take with you when you're on the road. Instead of using all those yucky hand soaps in the public washrooms, take this with you. Just spritz it on your hand, wash as normal. Okay, so I'm going to start with making it in here, and then I'm going to pour some in here. So the first ingredient that we need is unscented liquid castile soap. Okay, Dr. Bronner's is the one that I use. Make sure it's unscented. You don't want second grade oils. I don't know if theirs are. Okay, I'm not saying that they are, but you want to be sure of the oils that you're using. So we're going to fill this a third of the way full with the Dr. Bronner's. And it's hard to really do this accurately when it's shaped like this, but we do our best. It's not rocket science. Now for me, well, first of all, I'm going to put in some, some vitamin E, just so that it's gentler on my hands. I usually use glycerin, but I'm out of it, so vitamin E it is, and I just pour a little bit in, probably around a teaspoon, no more than a tablespoon, in that size container. And now I'm going to add my essential oils. This is kind of up to you, because most essential oils, if not all, have a, I have to watch it here, they have an antibacterial type of purpose. Okay, in other words, they will clean your hands. They will sanitize your hands, or purify, I guess is a better word. They will purify your hands. We do have a Thieves hand purifier, and it is absolutely wonderful for when you can't get to water. You're out, well, for us, if we're out in the desert and we need to clean our hands, the Thieves waterless hand purifier comes in very handy. But this is for indoors. So my preferred essential oils for this are Thieves, of which I will use 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And Thieves has a wonderful spicy scent to it. It is, Thieves were used back in the grave robber days when the plague was going around and everything, and there were these 3 thieves that were robbing graves, and they doused themselves in these spices. Back then they used spices because they were also spice traders, and they didn't get sick. So this blend is made from spices that they used to stay above the wellness line. So that's the Thieves, and because I like the smell of it, I also put in orange. You can imagine a spicy smell with orange. A lot of people will hang oranges with cloves stuck in them in their room to help freshen it. So, and I'm going to put 10 drops of orange in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that's pretty awesome right there. That's all the essential oils you need in that. And now, you see we have this much in the bottle. I'm going to fill it with water. Again, it's best to use distilled water. I don't have any handy here right now. So I filled it with tap water. But we're going to use this a lot. I use this at my kitchen sink when I need to wash my hands after handling meats and things. And I use it in the washroom. I use it after I've been shopping, you know, all kinds of things. And just give it a little shake, okay? Get that all mixed up really good. And now, I'm just going to grab a paper towel here. Now I'm going to take the lid off of it for a moment so that I can fill my travel bottle, which is this small bottle here. I didn't want to have to figure out, oh, how much do I need for this, when it's just so easy to make it in a large size. And now I'm just going to transfer some to this bottle. Again, it's BPA free. If it isn't, you need to get a glass bottle. Oh, I did good. I didn't even overfill it. I have this tendency to overfill them. And then, of course, you leave some out the top when you put the lid on. Okay. Make sure that's on very securely. I'm not going to start this one. I'll put the lid back on the other one. And once I get it primed, you can see it's a beautiful foam that comes out. Very easy to use. It's not runny. Sorry I'm out of the picture, but I'm just washing my hands at the sink here to get rid of the soap. Yeah, so it's a wonderful soap. We use it all the time. That's the only soap I ever use, because I'm not concerned at all about the ingredients. I think you all know about triclosan. Some people say triclosan. There's all kinds of nasty chemicals in the store-bought soap. This works out so much cheaper. It's so simple to make. Like, why wouldn't you? But if you don't want to, we also do have a Thieves hand soap. It's a foaming hand soap, just like what I just made. But it's slightly different oils in it. It does have Thieves in it, of course. So again, you're not stuck doing DIY. I just like it because I have control over it. I don't have to worry about, oh, did I order this? Did I order that? No, I already have the oils. I know when I'm getting low in the soap, and I can just make it whenever I need it. And it is cheaper in the long run. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Talk to you later.